Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu on Saturday, July 15, 2023, joined body with other Ogboge people across Edo State for Eruekpe, Esan West local government area to celebrate the homecoming and book launch of Honorable Joseph Edionwele, immediate past member House of Rep, who represent Esan West and Gwebe Federal Constituency for the National Assembly, Abuja. The celebrant, Honorable Joseph Edionwele, for an address, can appreciate the good people of Esan land, particularly in constituent, for the mandate when they give them to represent them for the Green Chamber of the National Assembly.
Honorable Philip Shaibu is a man that depends on God's directive. I knew him when he was the last president. He actually gave me an award as the last president. He came to the National Assembly, and while he was struggling to make a speaker, himself was made the deputy governor. Actually, he was the vocal type. So I want to thank you. We'll continue to grow. We'll continue to relate. And of course, by God's grace, we will continue to be good friends. In spite of all that you have asked, you were able to still come here. And Haja, thank you for leading your people to grace this occasion. I'm overwhelmed because we just said we're going to do 2 hours. Today it has taken the whole day. I actually appreciate you all that appreciated me. Thank you very much.
Comrade Philip Shaibu, will be former member of the House, can talk about the experience and legislative collabo with Honorable Joseph Edionwele for the House of Rep and say Honorable Edionwele na the people advocate we believe and support him to advance the interest of the masses.
It's something that is not common with our people. So for him to be well celebrated shows how he has affected and the impact he has made to his people. I know him from when he was chairman of council and we were colleagues in the House of Representatives. So I can testify to that fact that he's not just a gentleman, but he's a man of wisdom and he's a man of means. And he's a man that is a go-getter. So I thank God that I'm able to be part of those that have honored him. Because when you honor people when they are alive, that gives room for others to make them role models that they can emulate. But when people are no longer alive, we celebrate them and all those stuff. But while they are alive, we don't. It doesn't make any sense to me. So that we are celebrating his success is also a message to the young ones that success can be celebrated. And that will encourage more successes in our society. So I'm happy and I'm pleased. I'm thanking God for him. Like I've said earlier, we pray that God will continue to guide him, give him long life and good health, so that the wisdom and the knowledge and experience he has gathered can continue to tap from it.
Other Ogboge people wait turned out for the event. Now, member representing Akoko Edo Constituency 2, Honorable Donald Okogwe, Chief of Staff, Office of the Deputy Governor, former House of Rep member, Honorable Kingsley Higiamuswe, former House of Rep member representing Oredo Federal Constituency, Honorable Ogbeide Iyama, and Honorable Pascal Ugbome, among others. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.